Hi, Mike Deakes, Regional Sales Manager for South Central for LENSEC. Wanted to take a few minutes of your time, do a quick demo of a couple of the features that I really think are key with the Perspective VMS. I'm going to do a quick overview of a feature that I really like, which is it's called neighboring cameras, and how it also plays into the integration that we have with access control. We are browser-based, exclusively designed for HTML5. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Maps module. And again, all of the icons displayed are live camera images of the cameras that we've got around the office in Houston. One thing I want to go ahead and point out is the integration we have to access control, where these icons allows me to unlock, lock, and pulse a specific door at the front of the office. What I'm going to do is go to the events panel and actually click on the door. And that will then bring me to the quote door events screen. And what I can do while this is actually loading is go ahead and do a filter and base the filter around the main entrance. I want to go ahead and take a look for somebody called George, one of our tech support folks, and do a filter on that to go ahead and drill down all the activities that George has had for our front office. And what I can do is select one of those areas and go ahead and select something back on the 16th in the evening. I want to find out what George was doing when he came in. Now, I can play the video here, but I actually want to see, where did George go? So what I can do is I'm going to go ahead and click on View on Archives. And what that can do then is it brings up the archive screen. That's the time frame exactly what I'm looking for. But what I want to do is I want to take a look exactly where he did. And by hovering on the inside of the camera, I've got an option for View Neighboring. And what that will actually do for us is go ahead and pull up images, cameras that are neighbors to this specific camera in the front entrance. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Neighboring, and that will then bring up the additional 4 cameras that are tied into that front entrance. So we've got one, the whole looking back to the main entrance door. This is going from the main entrance door down the passageway. This is a conference room that is to the side of where the entrance door lets you into the actual LENSEC office. This is the kitchen area. I'm going to go ahead and select the play button from this channel, which is the global controls, which actually do the control for all of these cameras as opposed to doing each individual one. I'm going to go ahead and click on play. And what this will actually do is give us an idea of, okay, this is when George came into the office around 5 o'clock, 5:17. So what we're going to do now is, okay, why was he in the office? I'm going to actually be tracking George to see exactly where did he go. So he was moving now through the front lobby. And then what we're looking for off of one of these neighboring cameras is an activity to show exactly where he is and what happened next. And now what you can see from this image is, yes, you can see George coming through the door. Now where he is going now, actually walking through into the kitchen area. So this can actually play into many roles depending on end customer, where if you're trying to see exactly if something was moved, whether it be from an access control door or if it was an event from a location, somebody may have picked up something and moved it to another location. You can actually find it on the archives, go ahead and do a neighboring and actually track that specific user down. So anyway, quick overview of one of my favorite features, which is neighboring, and also how it plays into the playing it off of our integration with access control. Thanks again for taking out time to take a look at the demo which you just viewed. Hopefully this has given you some interest into reaching back out to me. Maybe we can certainly go ahead and do a deeper dive into the product. But again, thank you for taking that time. Looking forward to some conversations. Thanks again. Bye-bye.